इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे जो करिकुलम को कैसे क्लासरूम में इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कर जाए। तो कैसे हम लर्निंग सिचुएशन में कैसे हम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कर पाए करिकुलम को, उसके बारे में हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे। करिकुलम ट्रांसलेशन इज द इफेक्टिव एंड डिजायर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन of the curriculum contained on the basis of aims and objectives listed in the curriculum. Children will benefit only if the implementation is effective. A teacher effort should be to reach out effectively to each child in the group. That means children will benefit. When children benefit, if the teacher is effective, if effort should be reached out effectively to each child in the group. And second point, lesson plan should be prepared much in advance. If there is any gap between planning and implementation, changes could be required before implementation into the plan. That means क्लास में जब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्लास लेने के पहले से ही हमें लेसन प्लान प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए। इसके पहले अगर गैप रह जाए तो प्लानिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के बीच में तो सेकंड वहाँ पे चेंज कुड बी रिक्वायर्ड। नेक्स्ट, ए टीचर शुड मीनिंगफुल एंगेज चिल्ड्रन and stimulate their thought process. Children listen to some teacher and are respective, while the same group of children could respond differently to another teacher. Some of the requirements of effective curriculum transmission are planning, clarity of thought, organizing, knowing how we will translate, review of the work, clarity of communication, addressing different levels of children, knowing observation and understanding children at all times, time management, alertness, material organization, room setup. The National Curriculum Framework, which 2005 aims to guide the development and transaction of curriculum in school and to address the problem of transmission of information and rote learning, to make learning active, social and meaningful. Schools are supposed to adopt these guidelines. First, connecting knowledge to life outside the school. Connecting knowledge to life outside the school. The first guidelines aims to contextualize learning and ensure that the content gets a broader perspective as it is linked to life of the learners during the instructional process. This is the first recommended NCP at 2005 National Curriculum Framework. NCF recommended in implementation in curriculum connecting knowledge to life outside the school. Outside the school बच्चे की जो नॉलेज है उस नॉलेज को सिर्फ स्कूल में ही नहीं, स्कूल के बाहर की नॉलेज से कनेक्ट कर पाए. Learning ensure that context get a broader perspective as it's linked to life of the learner during the instructional process. This is the first step. The second guidelines intends that learner are enabled to link new and old learning so that they develop conceptual clarity and are encouraged to think critically and apply learning. Enriching the curriculum so that it goes beyond textbook. The third guideline NCB recommended aims to address the problem of considering textbook as the sole and final source of knowledge. It is in fact an extension of the first guideline and requires that learner be introduced a various source of knowledge, making examination more flexible and integrating them with classroom life. The fourth guideline of NCF seeks to make assessment a formative process so that teaching and assessment determine each other and the meaningfulness of learning can be ascertained on a continuous basis. The fifth guideline underscores the need to raise awareness, nature and sense of identity and the ability for critical thinking on socio-political relation. It also intends that learners are helped in internalization Indian constitutional values of equality, justice, liberty, so that democracy does not remain only as a form of governance but became a way of life for them.